If you are a highly skilled professional dreaming of a permanent life in the US, the EB-2 National Interest Waiver may be exactly what you're looking for. In this video, we will find out everything about this route to the green card. Stay tuned. Hi, global citizens. I'm Joey, and I'm with Global Citizen Solutions, a boutique investment migration firm dedicated to helping expats discover life's finest opportunities beyond their native borders. Our belief? Everyone deserves a chance to thrive, no matter where home is. The EB-2 visa, an employment-based category visa, caters to individuals with advanced degrees or exceptional abilities in their respective fields. But here's the exciting twist. The EB-2 National Interest Waiver, or NIW, could offer you an exceptional route to a US green card. Let's dive into the ins and outs of this intriguing pathway. The EB-2 NIW holds some distinct advantages that could make your journey smoother and faster. In the first place, there is no need for labor certification or sponsorship. Unlike other employment-based green card categories, you can self-petition for the NIW here. Yes, that's right. No employer sponsorship is needed. This streamlined process can save you time and energy. Secondly, the EB-2 NIW can be a path to citizenship. Once you hold a green card through the National Interest Waiver, you're on the way to becoming a US citizen. After meeting the residency requirements, you can apply for citizenship. The third advantage, which is not exclusive but is very important, is that under the National Interest Waiver, your immediate family, spouse, and unmarried children under 21 are also eligible for green cards, meaning your family can join you on this exciting journey to permanent residency. Now, let's chat about eligibility. Who qualifies for the EB-2 NIW? You will have to fulfill 3 criteria: have exceptional ability or advanced degree in your field, providing you can make substantial contributions to the nation's well-being. Have work that is of national interest. That is the essence of the National Interest Waiver. And it means that your work should significantly benefit the United States. We're talking groundbreaking scientific research, economic impact, contributions to national security, healthcare advancements, and more. Finally, you must demonstrate that you're well-positioned to advance your endeavor. In other words, that you are the right person to carry out your proposed work effectively. So, if you're confident that you have what it takes, it's time to start working on the application process. The first step is to gather evidence of the importance of your work. Academic records, publications, letters of recommendation, awards, everything that can demonstrate your qualifications and how your work benefits the U.S. national interest. Then you have to file Form I-140, attach the documentation, and submit your application to the USCIS, the United States Immigration and Citizenship Services. You can choose the premium process option at this stage, so the I-140 will be processed in under 45 days. The service costs $2,500 and doesn't expedite the processing of other forms. Once USCIS approves your petition, you will receive a notice of approval. Now there are 2 options. If you are already in the US with a valid non-immigrant visa, apply for an adjustment of status. If you are abroad, apply for your green card at a US consulate or embassy. After that, you will attend an interview and provide biometric information, such as fingerprints and photographs, and wait for approval. If your application is successful, you will receive your permanent residence card, also known as the green card. You have a comprehensive insight into the EB-2 National Interest Waiver. This pathway offers the chance to showcase your exceptional abilities and contribute to the United States growth, all while securing your place in the country. Remember, each case is unique, so it's a good idea to contact an immigration attorney for tailored guidance. Thank you for joining me today. If you want to learn more, have a look at our website. The links are in the description of this video. You can also get in contact with us and book a half-hour call with one of our experts. And last but not least, don't forget to like and subscribe. I'll see you next time.